Hello and welcome to the video for this little Canon Ixus130. So what do we have here? We have a compact, very ultra compact I should say, camera from Canon Ixus130. Sports a 14.1 megapixel CCD image sensor. I believe that's what they're called, and a nice little screen on the back, and it's an overall very nicely designed product. This smooth and nice to the touch, and is working fine. It's all tested out. It won't come with an SD card, but you can pick them up from your local stores on the high street. Pick your own version. It does come practically with a full kit here, full instructions, leads, and that is a lead to plug it into your SCART socket on your TV set, well, your AV sockets. Standard little mini USB connector. It doesn't have the computer connector, unfortunately, but you don't really need those because you just pop it onto your SD card clip and just stick it into your SD slots quicker anyway. It's faster transfers and less buttons to press. Mind you, though, you do walk out the door without the SD card in it, but it always tells you that there's no SD card in the camera. So it has a little switch on the top here, just there. Let's just put a bit of illumination onto the subject. So that's the little lens, wide angle and telephoto, zoom. And these shoot really well on wide angle. They've got a great light sensitivity. As soon as you zoom in, you do tend to degrade the picture quality. So it's always best to just move up closer to the subject if you can. On the top there, I don't know whether that is a loudspeaker, probably not, but it certainly has a microphone for video recording. And if you're really interested in specifications, just Google the spec. So overall condition of the camera is good. It has a tripod, thread, and 4.3 volts. There's a little bit of plastic trim, I think, missing off the bottom there, which might have clipped in, but that makes absolutely no odds to the overall condition. The battery is not puffy, it's a good battery, charges well, and that just slots in there. Which way did that come out? These are often a faff to get in and out. I think the little arrow indicates it, so you pop that in there. That's where your SD card goes. Just always be careful with that little clip there. That pops on back there. Takes practically any SD card, I think, unless you've got mega ultra high speed ones. We've got a bit of goo on the side of here, but that's making no odds to anything. The screw heads all look pretty nice, and it's really nice small little camera. If your camera's knackered on your phone, or you just don't want to use your phone, take a 500 quid phone out to take photographs and drop it and break it, these little things are absolutely spot on. And of course they do sport a better lens than your average phone camera, unless you're talking really mega new kit. It's menu driven, macro features, video recording, output here for mini HDMI and USB mini, and overall a few minor marks, but damn good condition and working fine. I've taken a few test shots, it works lovely. Here we have a low pro belt clip carry case. All Velcro, works nice. Little slots in here for SD cards and little cubby holes. It's like a little mini adventure, this little thing. And it does actually sport a waterproof cover that you can pop on it. It's tucked away in there. And that's in nice nick, practically new. I think they're about 10 or 15 quid, I think, on their own. So you just pop that on your belt and you've got your camera with you all the time. No humping around a large SLR or anything, just dead easy. And this is the charger. I had to buy this separately actually because it didn't come with one, but the mains figure of 8 lead, the instructions for that, and the charger itself, like new. There's the voltage and spec on the back for your delectation. So all in all, a nice little compact or ultra compact digital camera with good res, 14 megapixels, so it's not too outdated, and I'm sure that'll make somebody a nice little toy to play with. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.